What are you aiming at?
The little can.
Oh, okay. Better hit it.
I will.
Take your time. Make sure the bead's not above the line. Was that left, I think?
I think so. The target, the one on the left.
No, hit a bottle. Hit the milk jug.
No, I hit the one in the middle.
Come on, shoot the milk jug. I want to get it on film. A little high. Were you aiming low? Aim at the bottom of it.
So did you get the milk jug 30-06 on film?
No. Oh, yeah. You shake too much doing it that way. Done?